Welcome back, guys, to Unlockable Character. I'm at the Touchless Car Wash, one of my favorite places to be. Today is Caffeine and Octane, and we're gonna meet up with the DDATL Exotics crew. So can't wait to show you all the supercars that come out for Caffeine and Octane, and the other cars that come out too. But especially the group members, so you can see Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens. I think I have the only M4 competition in the group, thankfully. There might be an M3 competition, but he doesn't come out too much. Excited to show you guys. Let's get it. How's it going, man? What's up, guys? Just pulled up. I'm going to show you all the cars that are out here. Came with the GT3RS and a McLaren. What's going on, bro?
All right.
What up, Ty?
What's going on, bro?
How are you, bro?
Big room. Where did Parker go?
Probably went to the gas station. I saw him on the way out.
He pulled up here.
Oh!
Oh, God. Yeah, I guess we're supposed to cool it down, right?
What's up, man? How are you? Hey.
Hey, Alan.
Alan Romy, nice to meet you. All right, bro. Got a Z06, that white Z06 R8 convertible. You see the Lambos coming out. All right, guys, so we just parked. Got a bunch of sick BMWs today. It's got the M Performance exhaust on that. There's a manual, red seats, satin PPF on that one all the way around. Of course, parked in front of Aventador, so. How are you, man? Good to see you again.
Doing all right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So Biz had to pull up on us. He didn't bring his Aston Martin today. He brought this. What up, Wade?
What up, bro?
Shout out my bro Wade, mentor of mine. Always giving me wisdom.
I try.
Good place for wisdom and cars, to be honest. Yeah.
What's up, brother?
How are you, man?
Everything good?
Good to see you. Yeah, I
How's
like
the
the jacket.
Thank you,
Still
man.
good, still good. Not tuned yet. So we have all kinds of cars at Caffeine and Octane, including the classics, which are really growing on me, especially 20s hot rods. I kept my door open so people can see the interior. I still have to turn my car off. It's all good. So we got Nick here. Introduce himself. He's gonna start the car. Oh shit. You can give some revs if you want. Oh, it sounds deep. Sounds good. It sounds better from outside the car. Never get to hear it. Got a whole lot of NSXs today. This is the most NSXs I've ever seen. The new one is really growing on me. Also one of the best all-around cars you'll probably ever buy. Ooh, there's a green one. Oh my goodness. This body kit goes absolutely crazy. We got a roof scoop. It just keeps going. She came down from Tennessee. My good friend Benson introduced me to this one. Absolutely unreal. It keeps going. So for the Type S, they changed the front end a little bit. This thing is insane. Come on, dude.
At night,
Going up to the lawn again?
it's just deer.
Not really.
That's it. Don't worry about the deer. Being allowed to stop.